Hi Micafam, Myra here. For today's video, how to create Tonik account, step-by-step guide yan. Alamin natin kung totoo bang 5 minutes lang yung pag-register dito. And also, ano ba yung mga valid IDs na tinatanggap ni Tonik. Guys, if you're interested, please keep on watching. And also guys, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko, everything na kailangan mong malaman about Tonik, please watch it. Ilalagay ko po sa description box below yung link. Where can I download the Tonik app? Pwede natin i-download yung Tonik app guys to either Apple App Store or Google Play Store po. Who can register as a Tonik user? Any Filipino po who is at least 18 years old, tapos merong residence dito sa Pinas, merong valid email address, merong active na Philippine mobile number, and does not classify under the United States FATCA. Okay, so welcome to Tonik, the first neobank in the Philippines. What is neobank ba? Neobank po is 100% digital, that means fast. Open an account in just 5 minutes, so let's see kung 5 minutes nga ba talaga. And we're branchless, that means cost savings for us, which translates to higher earnings for you. And you'll also get a virtual debit card instantly, ready to use for online shopping and payments. Virtual debit card naman kasi. And smart, digital, simple, your neobanking. Tap natin yung I do, and then allow natin yan. Lagay natin dito yung ating phone number para makapag-send sila ng OTP. So, basahin daw natin yung kanilang terms and conditions. Tap lang natin tong agree and continue. Ito yung data privacy po nila. Agree and continue lang din po tayo. And nag-send po sila ng OTP. Enter lang natin dito guys once we have it. Okay, so hanggang ngayon wala pa rin po ang OTP. Tama naman yung number. Resend OTP tayo. Ayan na siya. So, lagay natin dito 907-226. So, take tayo ng face identity scan. And next to that, mag-scan po tayo ng valid ID that you own. And then, get your digital signature. Tap natin to initiate face identity scan po. Okay, let's start the face identity scan. But first, here are some tips. Okay, dapat enough yung light. Have plain background po. Remove your glasses. Hold the phone in portrait mode. And put your face in the frame. So, ayan siya. Let's use this scan. Or scan for the ID na tinatanggap po ni Tonik. Passport, driver's license, UMID, SSS, firearms, tsaka PRC ID. Buti na lang, let me see. Wala ako ni isa sa kanila. Skip muna ako ng ID. Okay, lagay natin dito first name, middle name, last name, gender, date of birth, tsaka place of birth, and then tap continue. After nyan guys, lagay natin dito yung ating address, like the zip code. Tapos pagka-enter mo po ng zip code po ninyo, and then tap nyo po itong apply zip code, and then automatically, malalagay na po yung info ng province, city, or municipality po ninyo. Fill nyo na lang po yung kulang, just like the barangay, tsaka yung house number. After nyan guys, ayan, what do you do? Ano ba yung source of income po natin? Naman tayo dito, may choices naman guys. So, tap natin salary, current employment status, tap natin yan, and then piliin natin. So, employed, nature of work, kung anong industry, and so on. And then for the industry, piliin din natin ganyan. Alright? So, tap lang natin yung continue. Okay, none of the above po. Tap next. Lagay natin dito yung ating email address at saka yung mother's maiden name po natin. And after nyan guys, so, pwede natin gamitin yung ating finger or a compatible stylus to write your signature. Sign here. Same po ng signature as with the document that you provided. Kung ano yung signature na nasa ID po ninyo, then yun din po yung gagawin po natin dito. Okay? Kung nagkamali ka, for example, ganyan, tap mo lang to nasa upper right side para ma-erase and para makapag-signature ka po ulit. Tap lang natin tong deal. And it's time for us to create password. 8 to 26 characters po. Dapat merong at least one special character. And dapat merong upper and lower case letter and number. So, ayan. Welcome to Tonik hon. Naalala man din natin yung ating past dito, oy. Charot. Forget about how your bank today. Say goodbye to long lines, low transactions, and low interest rates. Traditional banking ends here. Your new banking romance starts now. So, bring me to dashboard. Syempre, kailangan tingnan muna natin yung dashboard, guys. Okay, this is how it looks like. Wow, interesting. Zero pa of course, pero earning 1% interest. May top up dito, send, tsaka history. Verify email now. And to verify email, tap natin yan. And then send verification lang tayo. Ayan, na-verify na po yung ating email. Balik tayo sa dashboard. So, medyo naglo-loading po siya. So, ito na yung dashboard na ating Tonik account, guys. And isa sa napansin ko, very simple, direct to the point. And ang ganda ng kulay kasi ang lakas makabata. Anyway, wala pa tayong balance sa ating Tonik account. Pero pag naglagay tayo ng funds dito, guys, it will earn 1% interest po. Kung gusto nating maglagay ng funds dito, tap lang natin itong top up. And pwede tayong makapag-cash in or top up via debit card. Pwede tayong online. Ayan, GCash, BPI, Union Bank. And pwede rin naman over the counter. Ayan siya. Medyo loading siya, guys. Click 7-Eleven, CEBUANA, Lulier, M. Lulier, tsaka SM Payment. Don't worry, guys, ha. Gawa natin to na step-by-step video tutorial para mag-guide tayong lahat. Alright? Aside from top up, syempre, pwede din tayo makapag-send ng pera to bank transfer, GCash account, other Tonik customer, tsaka over-the-counter partners. Pero, that will be in a separate video since gagawa natin yan ng step-by-step video tutorial for you. History, kung gusto natin makita yung transactions natin. So, account number, makikita din natin dyan as well as our balance. And wala pa tayong transactions, obviously. Sa baba niyan, guys, makikita natin yung ating virtual card agad-agad right after natin mag-create ng account. Yung debit card dito is coming soon pa, pero I don't know why. Sa frequently asked questions nila, pwede na tayong makapag-request. Comment down below, guys, kung alam ninyo. Dito sa baba, ito yung accounts na pwede nating i-avail. Merong stashes, merong time deposit, and yung loans nila is coming soon. Ang alam ko, CIMB, meron ding ino-offer na loan. So, for the stashes, guys, ito, pag solo stash, pwede tayong makapag-earn ng 4% interest. Kapag group stash naman, pwedeng 4.5% interest. And pwede tayong makapag-open ng emergency stash, vacation stash. And kung wala dito yung stash na gusto mong pag-ipunan, then tap lang natin tong open a new stash. Pero that will be in a separate video as well. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung overview nitong ating Tonik account, guys. Okay? For the time deposit, ito, interested and excited ako dito kasi what I like about Tonik, guys, pwede natin makita dito yung computation talaga kung magkano yung pwede natin i-earn sa loob ng 6 months, sa loob ng 9 months, 12 months, 18 months, or 24 months. Syempre, the longer na ikikip natin yung pera dito sa time deposit, mas mag-earn tayo more, right? For example, 5,000 natin in 6 months will earn 151.23, pero i-deduct pa natin dito yung tax which is 20% of the interest, okay? It's minimum of 5,000 yung pwede nating invest and maximum of 500,000 pesos po. Now, yung 5,000 natin sa loob ng 9 months will be 170.14. 24 months, magiging 525 pesos na siya. Now, if we want to invest, let's say, 175,000 pesos for 6 months, that's 5,000 pesos. 12 months will be 8,000 pesos. Kung ako sa inyo, kung upgraded naman yung account ninyo, guys, take advantage na po itong time deposit. You can have a maximum of 5 accounts. Wow! By the way, dito sa upper right side, dito natin makikita yung frequently asked questions, yung phone number nila, and yung kanilang email. Upper left side, before the name, makikita natin dito yung account limit natin na 50,000 kasi wala tayong valid ID. Pero if you have the valid ID, tap mo lang tong get higher limits and mag-scan lang tayo ng valid ID and yung face identity scan po. For the account information, dito natin makikita yung ating account number, account name, tsaka yung bank name, personal details, syempre yan dyan yung pangalan natin, address, contact information, makikita natin dito yung ating mailing address, mobile number, tsaka email address po. For the login options, pwede tayo for fingerprint verification. That's basically it, guys. Next video will teach you how to top up or paano natin malalagyan ng funds yung ating Tonik account. So anyway, that's it muna for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.